My favorite thing about teaching in the program is my first year lectures. It is a pleasure to introduce themes that clearly resonate with these students. You can see the light bulbs going off over their heads. The Undergraduate International Relations course is a comprehensive course designed to introduce you to all aspects of international relations. We have a very large cohort of international relations lecturers in the department, which means that there is a tremendous variety to take part in terms of your first, second, and third year modules. The study of international relations in general is fascinating and enables you to understand what's going on in the world in ways that many students do not have a grasp on before they arrive at university. And it enables you to understand the difference between international and domestic politics, and why international politics can sometimes be much more brutal, which is very vividly on show right now. So we have modules in any number of subjects. I personally teach modules on the Cold War and nuclear politics at the undergraduate level. We have modules on intelligence and security. We have modules on tourism and travel, which is a very interesting field. We have modules on international law and ethics. Almost any aspect of international relations we will have a module on at the undergraduate level. It's also a very useful degree in your postgraduate pursuits. You can use it in any number of ways because it's a very versatile degree, working in international organizations, working in government, working for international trade, going off and doing a postgraduate degree. It is a fine foundation for doing all sorts of things.